This toy is from my toy collection. It's called the Super Blender. It's made by Alps and it's made of Bakelite. I would say it's from the 1930s, 1940s. I'm not really sure. As you can see here, it's made by Alps and it's made in Japan. So it's, in my opinion, it's a pre-World War II toy. Super Blender. Fortunately, there's a coffee stain on the box. Like someone put his coffee cup on the box and that left a stain on it. Battery powered with flashlight. Super Blender. So the box is in decent shape. Not mint, but better than no box at all, I guess. So this is the blender. There's a switch in front to turn it on. Now I have already inserted batteries in it. I will turn on the switch and you will see what the blender does. There you go. So it does really blend. There is a blade inside. And as you can see, these are the flashing lights. So, and when you're finished, all you have to do is remove the parts. Here you have the batteries. These are 2D batteries, the big ones. So I will remove the batteries and I will put back the parts inside the box. So the parts have been put back inside the box, and I will close the box. And there you go, the Super Blender by Alps.